Good morning and Jai Hind to my dear students. How are you doing? And how was your summer vacations? Hope you had a really good time. Oishi ma'am enjoyed a lot in the summer vacations. I ate healthy food. Yeah, I could not go out because we should not step out of the house and we should be wearing masks and using sanitizers. I think that you all know it very well. And welcome to your virtual school and your virtual classes. So today Oishi ma'am will tell you a story in this LSD class. So are you ready to listen to ma'am? Yes? Okay. So today's story is about a little girl and her name is Bubbles. Okay? And her mother. And another little animal is there. And it's about this little puppy. Isn't it cute? But this puppy is sad. You know why? Because it has hurt its hands. Oh no, poor little puppy. It's crying. It's very sad because it has hurt his hands. And the veterinary doctor has put this bandage. This is a bandage. Okay. So the veterinary doctor has put this bandage on the paws of this puppy. And you know what? This is a band-aid. Okay? This is a band-aid and we put this when we have small cuts. Okay? It has an adhesive or a sticker so that it sticks to the surface area. It sticks to your hand or feet or wherever you have got hurt. And this bandage actually the veterinary doctor puts the bandage if the wound is deep. So there was a deep cut over here and the puppy was hurt, and that's why the veterinary doctor has put this bandage, and now this puppy is fine. It is happy. It is smiling. Can you see this puppy? A smiling puppy? So today we will hear the story of this puppy. So are you ready? Okay. So sit straight. Your ears should be open and eyes should be on the screen. Let's start. So, the title of today's story is Bubbles, Dear Puppy. That means Bubbles and her dear little puppy. So, the name of this little girl is Bubbles. Okay? And this is a puppy. Puppy is the baby of a dog. It's known as puppy, Puppy. And this is Bubbles' mother. Now Bubble is a little girl, as I told you, and she loves to play with toys. I am sure that all of you love to play with your toys. Now she is playing with a green colored doll. Can you see this doll? She also has a green aeroplane, a ball and a lot of soft toys. An elephant, a lion. This is this is a teddy bear. So Bubbles love to play and this is her mother. And mother is showing a book on which a school is drawn over here. So Bubbles love to play. She has lots and lots of toys. And one day Bubbles went to a park. Bubbles goes to a park and she sees a little puppy. Now, who is Puppy? Puppy is a little dog. The baby dog is known as Puppy. And can you see this little dog is crying? because it has got hurt. Blood is coming out. उसको चोट लगा है. The dog is hurt. Okay, that is why it is crying. I got hurt. Please help me. Someone help me. I'm feeling very, very sad. So this puppy is crying. The puppy is sad and it got hurt. Now Bubbles was very worried. What happened to the little puppy? So Bubbles quickly picked up the puppy from the park and he was and she was running so that she can give medicine to the puppy or she can show some elders that what happened to the dog. Bubbles takes the puppy home and she is running so that she can help the dog. She can put some medicines or she can ask some elders to come and help the puppy. Now Bubbles feeds the puppy milk. Can you see Bubbles? This little girl Bubbles has given milk to the puppy and the puppy is drinking the milk. The puppy is hungry and can you see how happy the eyes are? And it's a smile on its face. That means the puppy was hungry as well as it was hurt. So when Bubbles gave milk to the puppy, it was very, very happy and it was thanking Bubbles in its heart. And what happened? Bubbles' mother brings the first aid box. So this is Bubbles' mother. And what did she bring? This red cross sign on the box, on the white box. This box is known as the first aid box. Okay, sometimes we have this type of box in our school or classroom also. In the infirmary or in the classroom, we have this box. And what is inside this box? In this box, the emergency medicines are kept. What are emergency medicines? That we require in the emergency situation. And what is an emergency situation? When somebody falls down or when you have sudden stomach pain or a small cut on your finger. So these are the things which causes emergency. And in the situation, you have all the things, all the medicine in this box. You can keep a Dettol, you can keep a Band-Aid, you can keep a bandage. Children, I hope you understand, you know the difference between bandage and Band-Aid. If you don't know, Oishi ma'am will explain you. Bandage is a white cloth, jali wala cloth, which the puppy had tied in its hand. I showed you in my introductory video. In that is tied on the puppy's hand. That is a bandage. And Band-Aid is a plastic adhesive. That means there is gum on the other side or there is a sticking material on the other side of the Band-Aid which helps to keep the Band-Aid in place. So bandage is a white cloth and Band-Aid is a translucent. That means you cannot see through it and it's a somewhat, it can be a cloth also, it can be a plastic also. Okay, so it has a healing strip in the middle and you place this on the cut and then you tie it and there is a sticker or a sticking glue and it gets stuck to the skin. So you can put it on your skin where you got hurt. So mother brought this first aid box so that they can take out the medicine from this box and can treat or they can heal the wound of the puppy. So next what happened? Mother bandages the puppy. Can you see this? This is the bandage. 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 So this bandage who has done? Bubbles' mother has done the bandage on the has put the bandage on the puppy's legs, and Bubbles pats the puppy to sleep. Can you see? Bubbles is doing like this, like this. Sleep, my dear puppy. Sleep, my dear puppy. Bubbles is doing like this, and she is even singing a song. Now puppy was hurt and it was crying. Then Bubbles gave her milk, and after drinking the milk, and the puppy went to sleep. And Bubbles has also given a soft pillow over here. So the puppy was sleeping on the pillow very, very peacefully. Now Bubbles took the puppy to the vet. VET. Now this doctor is known as vet. The full form is veterinary doctor. So in short, we call him vet. So vet is a doctor who treats sick animals. And now you know that doctor is a person who treats us when we are sick. We go to doctor. But when animals fall sick, where will they go? They also need somebody to put them all right, to give them medicine. So vet is the doctor who gives medicine to the animals. Okay, so now you can see this vet is putting a bandage around the legs of the puppy, and the vet bandages the puppy. Can you see the medicines over here? This is an injection. This is a medicine of dogs. See, the picture of dog is drawn over here. So, and this is a cotton wool. So you clean the wound with this cotton, and then you put the medicine. You give the medicine to the dog, to the puppy to drink it, and you bandage the wounded part where it got hurt. So this is Bubbles' mother, and she is sitting over here, and Bubbles is standing to see how the veterinary doctor is treating the puppy. Now what happened? Bubbles was holding the puppy, and the puppy was happy because the wound was getting all right. Now when we also get hurt, we fall down, and our mother or father or anyone, any doctor puts a bandage on that place, cleans the place, puts some medicine, and we feel better. Same way, the puppy was also feeling better, and it was smiling, it was happy. So was Bubbles. And then the puppy met her mother. So this is the mother dog. And the puppy sees the mother dog, and the mother dog is very happy to see her puppy. Oh, the little puppy is so happy. Can you see the little puppy over here? And the mother over here. They are very, very happy because they met each other, and the puppy's mother wags its tail. WAGS. Wags. Wags means to put the tail like this, to move the tail. And why was it moving the tail? When a dog is happy, okay, or excited, it is the way they show their love. The mother puppy was very happy because Bubbles gave her milk, and she also took the puppy to the doctor. The doctor put the bandages, and the puppy was happy again. So that is why the mother dog was very happy, and it was wagging her tail, and she thanked Bubbles also. So this wagging of tail is also a sign that the dog mother was very happy, because dog cannot speak human language. Dogs cannot speak in English language. So it was very happy and it was wagging her tail and saying Bubbles and her mother, "Thank you." So with this, we come to the next page, and over here, Bubbles gives food to little puppy and its mother. So, see the bandage, little puppy? The puppy is also hungry. Water is coming out from its mouth, and Mama dog is also happy. The mother dog is also happy. The puppy and its mother are happy to see her. Now, when these two saw Bubbles, these two dogs were very happy. And Bubble was very happy. Can you see her smile over here? The little dog, was also very happy to see them, and she gave a bowl of milk to them. And this is the end of the book or the story. With this, Oishi ma'am is saying bye bye to you all.